Here it is, guys, the Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact, and it's made to be the best mini smartphone in the world. And let's go right to unboxing it. So look at the box first, and look at this, guys. We don't have the rainbow effect anymore on the logo. So this is the XZ2, this is the Compact. So I guess the XZ2 Compact is less expensive, but it's still kind of funny. Aside from that though, pretty nice looking box. Xperia XZ2 Compact right there. And on the side, the bottom, and you guess it, the other side as well. And a look at the back, so some specs here that we will cover in a few seconds. But it says that the latest Snapdragon 45, only a few phones in the world have that. Alright guys, so here we go. Right on top, the XZ2 Compact. And I have to say, first impressions is a bit smaller than I was expecting. A lot of the pictures do make it look a bit big. So definitely kind of thick, but yeah, not that bad. And I'm going to take a look at that in a few seconds. So we have the power adapter. And you guys know what this means, no headphone jack. And at least they give you a converter, but it's definitely still pretty disappointing. Okay, so we have some manuals here. Oh, nice. So we do have headphones with this. Now I have used these before, and for free headphones are pretty good. But as you guys see, we do have the headphone jack right there. So we get the converter. And what you do is connect this to Type-C. Okay, so a few extra earbuds. And we have a Type-C cable. Alright guys, so good stuff, and let's check out the phone. Now, if you guys watched my video when the phone was first announced, I did have a lot of criticism for it. But I have to say, guys, in person, the design is definitely a lot better than I was expecting. And we'll put that in the top right corner for y'all to check out. So it is pretty nice looking. Do like the green color. Oh, nice and slowly because, let's see. Yep, this is two-sided, so I have to do that slowly. Alright guys, so pretty cool looking design. Again, it is a bit heavy, a bit thick, but I think that's pretty much the case for any small phone like this. And in a few seconds we'll be doing a comparison versus the XZ2 and the XZ1 Compact. And here's the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now, nothing against this phone, guys, it is a great phone, but it's just so rare to have a small phone like this with excellent specs. Alright guys, so I'm going to put my info and be back in a few seconds. Alright guys, so I've been using the phone for about an hour and I definitely like it so far. And if you go back and watch my XZ2 unboxing from last week, I did have a lot of criticism about the XZ2 design because I thought it wasn't a huge improvement over the XZ1. But that is not the case for the XZ2 Compact versus the XZ1 Compact. I definitely prefer the design of the 2 versus the 1. Alright guys, so let's look at these two more in depth. Now, comparing the 1 versus 2, there's obviously smaller bezels here on the 2. Now, both are pretty similar in terms of size. Although, I will say the 2 is definitely does feel smaller because of the back of it. The 1 is boxy and the 2 is curved. And just because of that, the 2 does feel a lot smaller to hold, a lot more comfortable as well. Now, looking at the specs, a lot of stuff has changed from the 1 to the 2. The 2 has a larger screen at 5 inches versus 4.6 and 1080p versus 720p. The front camera on the 1 is actually higher at 8MP versus 5. And the cameras on the back are 19MP on both, but do have updated software on the 2. You're upgrading from 32 to 64GB internal storage, both phones have microSD card support. And the battery is 2700 versus 2870. Both phones 4GB of RAM, but you are upgrading from the Snapdragon 35 to the 845. Both phones are waterproof, USB Type-C, stereo speakers. Now on the 1 you do have a headphone jack, you do not on the 2. And the fingerprint scanner is also relocated from right here to over here on the back. And you definitely have better placement of the camera and the fingerprint scanner on the 2 Compact versus the 2. Where on the 2, this is the fingerprint scanner right here. And this is the camera lens right there. So a brief comparison here of the 2 versus 2 compact. Oh wait, actually, let's see. Does this phone slide? Okay, so a tiny bit, but a huge improvement over the 2. Yeah, it definitely does annoy me about the 2, how it always slides on the table like that. But the 2 compact looks okay. Now comparing the specs, the 2 has a larger screen at 5.7 inches versus 5.0. The 2 also has 6 GB RAM versus 4. The regular has a larger battery at 3180 versus 2870. And the 2 also has wireless charging and a glass back. But that aside, guys, pretty much everything else is the same except for the 2 compact is a lot less expensive and it's also easier to hold, a lot smaller. Now obviously, guys, we have a ton of testing to do with this phone. But first thoughts, I definitely am pretty impressed with it. So let me know in the comment section below what video you want to see next. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.